In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy your Linktree profile link. This is a really simple but important skill, especially if you share your Linktree on social media, in your bio, or with potential clients. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to find your unique Linktree URL and how to copy it correctly so you can paste it wherever you need. First, make sure you're logged into your Linktree account. Open your web browser and go to your Linktree dashboard. You can do this by typing in the Linktree website and signing in, or by going straight to the admin page if you have that bookmarked. Once you're logged in, you should land on your main dashboard, where you normally add or edit your links. Take a moment to look around the screen so you're oriented. On this page, you'll usually see your links in the center and some settings and customization options on the sides. What we're interested in is your public profile link, which is the URL that other people will use to visit your Linktree. Now, look towards the top right corner of your dashboard. You should see something that looks like a web address starting with linktree.e followed by your username. This is your unique Linktree profile link. It might appear as a small clickable text or button, but it will always include your username at the end. Go ahead and click on that linktree.ee/your username text in the top right corner. When you click it, a small menu or pop-up should appear. Inside that little menu, you'll see an option that says Copy. This is what you'll use to copy your full Linktree URL. Click on the Copy button. As soon as you do that, your Linktree profile link is copied to your device's clipboard. You might see a small confirmation message saying something like Copied to clipboard, but even if you don't, it should now be ready to paste. To double check, you can open a new browser tab or a note or any text field and paste. On most computers, you can paste by pressing Ctrl+V on Windows or Command+V on a Mac. On mobile, just tap and hold, then choose Paste. You should now see your full Linktree URL appear. That's all you need to do. You've successfully copied your Linktree profile link and you can now share it anywhere you like.